Hello and welcome to Trex Tutorials. This is the tutorial on how to use the Deck Designer tool on the Trex website. The Deck Designer is a 3D software that you can use on your web browser so you don't have to download anything. It allows you to make custom 3D models of your dream deck. You can change the dimensions, the type of decking, the colors, and even the kind of substructure used. The length, width, and height can be manually changed as well as add multiple levels and decking extensions. Within the Deck Designer, you can also move each individual piece freely to match your custom space. You can add custom stairs on any side and move them as well as change their dimensions. Of course, you can add railing to the deck. It will automatically add them for taller decks since it's required by code. You can select different styles and color of railing to match your decking. After you're done designing the perfect deck, you can go to the top right and it will tell you an estimated cost for the deck you've just built. It will also inform you about the comparison and investment of Trex versus wood decking and how Trex will pay off over time. Hopefully by the end of using the Deck Designer, you'll have created the deck of your dreams and have a good starting point for your project. This has been Trex Tutorials on how to use the Deck Designer tool.